This is one of my favorite high school breakfasts. I really enjoyed this breakfast when I was in high school, but not home. So today, let me share with you how I prepare this. So I have my maize. You can soak this one overnight or soak it for a few minutes, and then that makes it easier to cook. So I'm gonna give it a quick wash, and when it's done, I'll soak it for 1 minute. Once you are done washing this, it's so easy to spot the ones that is not good and then take it out before you cook. So right now we are cooking our maize on low medium heat. Put everything in the water and cover to cook. At this point, it's not ready, but let's check if the maize is hard or it's gonna take longer time to cook this. Yeah, I think we need a few minutes to cook this. And if you want it more creamier, you can add some corn flour you mix with water and then add to this. But I didn't add it, but you can do it if you want it. Home street food, Adriana, so I added some water to let it cook for another 1 hour. Added a pinch of salt and then let it be on fire for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you all for watching Home Street Food. Adriana,
Where did Diana said Diania Ubedin Swa Home Sweet Food Adrianepa Manage Adrianepa Our Reso Adrianepa Mabumudin Home Sweet Food Adrianepa Manage Adrianepa Our Reso Adrianepa Mabumudin Home Sweet Food Yabachra